The morning sun hits a different kind of floor. No more leaning my ear against the wooden door, waiting for a brother to tell me how to breathe, to grant me permission before I'm allowed to leave. I spent a decade in the shadow of a self-made king, polishing the ego of a man who self-ruled everything. Now the silence in this room is a heavy, hollow weight. Is it liberty, or am I just standing at a closed-off gate? They said they were apostles, but they were only self-made architects, building a prison out of thou shalts and what's next. Now I'm wearing colors hidden beneath my jeans, tracing the outlines of what unfiltered really means. But is it freedom if I'm still checking the sky? Is it freedom if I'm still believing every lie? I walked out of their room, but they're living in my head. The ghosts of the three still sharing my bed. I'm standing in the aisle of the grocery store, staring at the paycheck that isn't theirs anymore. No tithe, no offering, no sowing into the man, just 10 digits in a bank account I don't understand. I'm terrified to spend it, I'm terrified to keep. The chief apostle's voice still echoes while I'm trying to sleep. And who do I talk to when I fold my hands to pray? I'm scared I'm dialing a number they disconnected yesterday. I bought a pair of underwear in a shade of electric blue, a secret rebellion, a quiet, no longer a prisoner of you. I can date who I want, I can marry for love, without a chief apostle's blessing from the pulpit above. But every time I laugh, I look over my shoulder, like I'm waiting for a hand to pull me back and make me colder. The world is full of shadows and hidden plans they taught. I'm out of the cage, but the wires are still taut. The conspiracies whisper like static on the line. Is everyone else Babylon? Is the world ending this time? They fed us fear for breakfast and judgment for tea. Now the truth feels like a mountain that's falling on me. I'm choosing my own path, I'm picking my own shoes, but I'm paralyzed by the weight of having something to lose. They said they were apostles, but they were only self-made architects, building a prison out of thou shalts and what's next. Now I'm wearing colors hidden beneath my jeans, tracing the outlines of what unfiltered really means. But is it freedom if I'm I'm still checking the sky? Is it freedom if I'm still believing every lie? I walked out of the room, but they're living in my head. The ghosts of the other three still sharing my bed. It's my choice now, where I go, who I see, who I love. My choice. The sky isn't falling, it's just big. I'm learning to walk without the chains on my feet, but the healing is slow and the victory is bittersweet. I'm free, I think I'm free. I'm trying to be free. Please remember this: for God hath not given us the spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. Build a relationship with Jesus Christ and you will be fine.